Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA Mobile exchange players on the application of FIFA Mobile. To know how to fix or how to solve exchange players on FIFA Mobile, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about FIFA Mobile and you will enter. Here in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end, we can go to Play Store. You will search about FIFA Mobile. When you find it, you can click update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.